I mean, it is just hotter than blue blazes out there, and it's not even sun up yet.
I know, it's a muggy start, so when it's this hour of the morning and you go outside and it just feels uncomfortable, you know it's going to be bad for the rest of the day.
Exactly, and it may feel like we're stuck in this deja vu. We've been dealing with this for days, but y'all, we're not getting off this merry-go train until Saturday.
I know, and by Sunday, upper 80s to around 90, but still near 100 for a few more days.
So be mindful and be smart.
Yeah, so right now in Nashville, not much going on over the Mid-South here as we begin the morning. The key story is, like the last morning or two, there's some fog that is out there, but nothing widespread in the metro area, although it is thicker in some of the outlying counties. But good morning, Lebanon, where right now you're away. We are starting this morning at 75 degrees. Heat advisories continue now for the next couple of days. Next few days, that heat index between 105 and 109, 105, 107 today, pushing 110 at times tomorrow afternoon. For the weekend, shower chance on Saturday, not as hot for us on Sunday. For our students this morning, a muggy start to the day, warm and humid at temperature near the 100-degree mark. For the ride home later today. Here are the highs this afternoon: 95 Columbia, Camden 95, Waynesboro 95, 91 Cookeville, and then 90 back over toward the Crossville area. For today, our high of 98, well above where we ought to be. The norm today is 90, the record 103 from 2007. So if you're going to one of the area fairs tonight, Wilson County, Tennessee State Fair, Fentress County, or the Decatur County Fair in Decaturville, just be careful, stay hydrated. Even as the sun sets, stay hydrated. So highs this afternoon in the 90s overnight. Tonight will fall back into the 70s by sunrise tomorrow. Still keeping an eye on two tropical systems for us out here. We've got Hero that's weakening over parts of Texas and Mexico. Meanwhile, there is Franklin right now, winds at 50 miles per hour, but could become a hurricane in the next day or so. But right now it's out to, well, that would put it out to sea after it leaves parts of the Caribbean islands. Nikki D.
And you know, we're getting into that time frame where the waters have finally heated up and they are just like a bathtub, and they are brewing, of course, tropical systems. Here's a live look thanks to Sky 5 Live. They just took off on this hot and muggy morning, and you can tell it's even a little hazy out there because the air is just so dense. As we go throughout sunrise and continuing throughout the entire day, it is just going to be extremely hot. I mean, we're talking dangerous conditions. Please remember, if you've got children anywhere around, look before you lock your vehicle. Little ones love to play some hide and go seek. So make sure the vehicle is locked, even if it's in a garage, because that will keep them from peacefully hiding in there. It's just too hot, and those cars heat up so fast. I mean, look at our temperatures, how fast they're going to be heading up. You'll notice by 1 o'clock, 106. It's going to feel like 107, 2, 3, and 4 o'clock in this afternoon. I mean, we really deal with this in an extended time frame. And this is for areas that are under the heat advisory. Excessive heat warnings at around 5 to 10 degrees to that. Today, winds are going to stay really light. They're going to continue to move in out of our east around 5 to 7 miles per hour. We'll see a few passing clouds, and then as we make our way into Thursday, winds will then start to shift back out of our south. Not going to do a ton in the way of wind ramping up, but it will bring in more heat as well as moisture. That's why Thursday will feel like it's the hottest day out of all of these, but in reality, we're all just dealing with that excessive heat. Rainfall wise, you might see 1 or 2 drops try and squeeze out late Thursday, but we're not looking to have too much in that department for us. In fact, our rain chance is still staying slim, even once the cold front moves in. Here is your Super 7-day forecast exclusive to News Channel 5. Highs today will top out at 98. But watch these numbers. Even after the sun sets, it's still really warm. 9 o'clock, still at 87. This isn't the feels like, this is what it's going to be. So you better believe tomorrow morning still going to be rather warm when you wake up. 99 by the afternoon, 100 on Friday. Leland, of course, these are going to feel bold, not necessarily face value, and we continue even into Saturday.
Yeah, so right now looking between 95 and 100 on Saturday afternoon. A little front brings in a little shower and storm chance on Saturday, but as you see, not widespread. But behind it, highs around 90 for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday.